Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Nixon High Tide watch. I believe the model is A1308. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So let me give you a better view of the box. There's really not a whole lot to see on the box. There is the Nixon name and their logo up here at the top. And then other than that, it's just a black box that is taped on the sides. I wish they would not have taped this. Let's see if I can get a knife and cut the tape up. I don't want to rip the black off of the box. I don't know if you're like me, any watch I buy, I keep the boxes for whatever reason. So that's why I don't want to mess up this box. All right. So they had this tape down, plus the box itself. So this is not my first experience with a Nixon watch. I had the Regulus Expedition before. I really liked it. You know, my problem with Nixon watches is they don't have the perfect watch that I'm looking for. The perfect watch for me would have temperature, moon phase, sunrise and sunset information. The Nixon Regulus Expedition had temperature, but it didn't have moon phase. This one has moon phase, but it doesn't have temperature. They both had sunrise and sunset. So this is just going to be an unboxing. Now, once I get the watch on and start using it, I will be sure and attach some videos so you can see how to use the watch. So the band is nice, soft silicone. It is a 44mm square face watch. Has the Nixon logo. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see this. Nixon logo on the side here. Now, bear with me, I'm not a professional. Again, I'm just doing this in case there's somebody out there who wants to see what it looks like when you get it. Hopefully you can see that. SRP, I guess the MSRP is $220. This is the High Tide Silver and Black. There's a bunch of different color options out there. There's some that were really cool. I thought this one was the safest one to go with. Let me see if I can peel the plastic off the screen. It does have a little locking clasp here on the band so that when you're wearing it and you run it through, you can lock the strap. Strap's really nice. They do have the Nixon logo on the buckle. We're going to press and hold. It looks like the top button should turn it on. And that's about as much as I know about the watch now, is how to turn it on. Press and hold the top button. So anyway, that is a quick unboxing. Let me see if there's anything else I need to show you that you get with it. Construction manual or anything. H2O, yeah. This watch is made with recycled ocean plastics. It does have 550 pre-programmed locations that have tide, moon, and sun information. And basically you're just going to get an instruction manual with it. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing video. I hope it helps.